overseas and kill everybody on board. Would you refuse that order in real time?
Well, let me start by saying I've sunk 2 boats, 2 ships. I sunk an OSA-2 missile patrol boat in Kuwait Harbor. I sunk a Polnokny troop carrier
Should
in
you
the
have?
Persian Gulf during the first Gulf War. Never once did I question
You just
whether
dance.
those orders were legal or illegal. People can tell the difference. Should
You
be able to
can't
tell
even
the difference
describe what
between
an
something that
unlawful
is
order is.
unlawful and something that is lawful. And if I was ever given an unlawful order, I
He
would
can't
refuse.
even describe what an unlawful order is.
You know, if you have time, you can certainly go to the judge, advocate generals, the lawyers, and have a discussion about it. If you don't have time, you just say simply, I'm not going to do that. That's against the law.
It puts a lot of burden on the troops to make a decision in real time.
It puts a tremendous amount of burden
and they
on
wouldn't be
officers
doing
in the
these
military,
strikes.
but that is their responsibility, and they can figure out. You know, a reasonable person can tell something that is legal and something that is illegal.
So now you have National Guard in Chicago saying this feels illegal when they're ordered to patrol.
Yeah.
It's entirely legal. Nothing about it even close to illegal. And
I think
National
so.
Guard routinely do American domestic work. They're National Guard. Maybe this guy's
He's trying to. He's doing it purposely.
But he is fomenting
There's a purpose.
factionalization
There's always a
of our
purpose.
military. Is it emergent? Just dominoes falling over? You tell me. But again, I say this in every circumstance. It doesn't matter. Now, the individuals of lower cognitive function with 3rd grade reading levels, Sam Cedar, I said his name. I hope he gets a good clip out of this. Intentionally take my statement out of context when I say the truth doesn't matter. So I try to be more clear. The truth doesn't matter to partisans. And what that means is, obviously, the truth matters in a holistic moral sense. But if you're a partisan Democrat trying to foment civil war, unrest, factionalization, you don't care about what's true. You care about what gains you power. Same thing is true for a lot of people on the right. Although I think on the right, it's a tendency. On the left, it's a rule. Certainly there are good people on the left who don't fall into these categories, but most of them do. They know they're lying. And the right has they know they're lying people too, but typically the people on the right are actually just trying to figure out what's true. Mark Kelly, whether he's intending to or otherwise, is fomenting discord in our military, saying, question your orders. You can tell. What he should be saying is, if you feel like an order you're given may be illegal, consult JAG officers.